Well, hey guys, what's going on? It's been a while since I've uploaded a video because I've been doing a lot of research, and for those of you who come in on the live stream, you guys are pretty familiar with what I've been doing for a long time. I did get the case done and filed and all sorts of stuff. I might be talking about it later on tonight, and depending upon when you're watching this, heck, it might be happening right now. Today is Saturday and we're going to be doing our live stream, and I'm going to show you some stuff that's been happening in the house. You can see behind me there. Let's walk back here. Yeah, look at that. That is our new hot water heater. For the past 2 weeks, our water heater upstairs there started leaking and started, creating a pool of water down here. So we had to go get a new hot water heater. Installed it yesterday. For those of you who were around for the live stream yesterday, I explained it a little bit, but hooked it all up. Gas line, water lines. I know it looks like a mess. I don't like the idea of it being right in front of the window, but we couldn't do it any other way because it aligns with the exhaust out through where the old one used to be. And yeah. And there's the old one sitting out here on the porch. See, it doesn't look all that bad until you get down here and it's all crusted out. Look at that. All right. Oh, for those of you who are wondering, see, this is my coffee pot. Look at that. That's what I get my coffee out of. That's how I make my coffee. And then I carry around this bag boy right here. So, yeah, had to swap out the hot water heater. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm going to be doing a live stream tonight. So if you guys are around, stop in. That'll be awesome. Got to look at our living room here, or our dining room. This here is all my case stuff right there. Technically, they're all copies of my case that I'm going to be mailing out. I'm going to send out a copy of it to the Montana Supreme Court. Let's see, the Attorney General, the Solicitor General of Montana. Yeah, let's see. The other one is going to go off to, the Secretary of State. And then one of them is going to go to the Regional Operations in Denver, Colorado. Now, Region 8 is their primary central office that keeps track of all of their activity. So yeah, man, look at that. Why is that still green? It's a weird plant. But yeah, you guys, so I thought I'd give you a holler quick and let everybody know that we're going to be doing a live stream tonight. And so what are you watching, Cody?
Half-Life 2 mods.
Half-Life 2 mods?
Yeah.
Really?
Have you ever eaten chicken noodle soup with a fork? And then you try to drink the soup itself with the fork?
Yeah, you eat the noodles and the chicken stuff with the fork, and then you drink the soup. That's how you eat soup with a fork.
No, you don't pick up the bowl and drink it like this. No, you act like the fork is a spoon.
No, you know why I've never done that? Because I'm sane.
It's the proper way to eat soup.
I'm sane.
It is the proper way to eat soup. You get more flavor than it lasts.
Yeah. So what you doing, Allie?
Drawing.
What you drawing?
A cat.
A cat? Are you drawing that cat?
No.
Oh.
Bird.
Turtle. Yeah. Kitty. There's Gizmo. Hi. What you doing, huh?
Meow.
You stay off my papers. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so, all right, I'm gonna get on out of here. I thought I'd throw up this little video letting you guys know what's been going on for the past few weeks and what's been going on around here lately. But got the case done, and now just kind of waiting. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the live stream tonight. Check it out. See ya.